Hello students, we have learned how to compare the fractional numbers, and in previous video we have learned how to arrange the fractional numbers in ascending order. So we are doing worksheet number 3, and today we will do the question number 2, that is arrange the following in descending order. It is same as we have arranged the fractional numbers in ascending order. It is just the opposite of ascending, that is descending order. Here we have to write from big to small. So let us take first part, that is 3 upon 10, 7 upon 15, 7 upon 15, 5 upon 6, and 1 upon 30. Now you know that we are using the LCM method. That means by taking the LCM we compare these fractions. So first of all, take the LCM of denominators. हमें denominators का LCM लेना है. So take the LCM. As we have even numbers, so we will first of all divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. 15 does not comes in the table of 2, so we will write as it is. Then 2 3s are 6, and then 2 15s are 30. Then you can see here is 3. So we will take 3 because we have to take only the prime factors. So 3, 5 does not comes in the table of 3, so we will write 5 as it is. Then 15, so 3 5s are 15, and 3 1s are 3, and 3 5s are 15. Now all are 5, and 5 is a prime number, so we will divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5, 1s are 5, 1 and 1s are 5. So here, at last all the numbers are 1 here. So our LCM is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 2 3 is 6, and 6 5 is 30. So our LCM is 30. Now we will make all these fractions like, now 3 upon 10, so we will multiply the denominator by a number so that our product will be equal to LCM. हम डिनोमिनेटर को ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट हो वो LCM के बराबर आ जाए. तो दैट मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर का टेबल LCM तक. सो 10 3s are 30. सो जिससे हम नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सेम उसी नंबर से हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो 3 3s are 9. सो 9 upon 30. नेक्स्ट इज 7 upon 15. अगेन डिनोमिनेटर को हम ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो LCM के बराबर आ जाए. 15 के टेबल में 30 आता है. 15 2s are 30. सो न्यूमरेटर को भी हम सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 7 2s are 14. नेक्स्ट इज 5 upon 6. सो अगेन सेम वे 6 का टेबल हम पढ़ेंगे 30 तक, LCM तक. सो 6 5s are 30, और ऊपर 5 को भी हमें सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा जिससे हमने डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया. 5 5s are 25. And then last one is 1 upon 30. So 30 का टेबल 30 तक you all know. 30 का टेबल में 30 आता है. 31s are 30. So we have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. So 1 1s are 1. Now all these fractions are like. So we can easily compare these fractions. So we have to arrange these fractions in descending order. That means सबसे बड़ा fraction हमें सबसे पहले लिखना है, then उससे छोटा छोटा, and at last we have to write the smallest one. So here the denominators are same, so we have to compare the numerators only. So the numerators are 1, 25, 14 and 19. So which one is the greatest? So 25 upon 30 is the greatest. Then after 25 upon 30, which one is greatest? 14 upon 30 is after that. 9 and 1, 9 is greater, so this, and at last 1 upon 30. Now अब हमें ये वो नंबर फ्रैक्शंस लिखने हैं जिनसे ये फ्रैक्शंस बने थे. So 25 upon 30 first of all. So 25 upon 30 किससे बना था? 5 upon 6. We will write 5 upon 6. Then next one is 14 upon 30. So ये बना था हमारा 7 upon 15 से. Then next is 9 upon 30. So 9 upon 30 बना था हमारा 3 upon 10. And at last 1 upon 30. तो ये हमारा same 1 upon 30 से बना था. So in this way we can arrange the fractions in descending order. Let us do one more part. D part, last one. 2 and 5 upon 6, 7 upon 18, 4 and 1 upon 4, and 10 upon 9. So here the question is given in mixed number form. So first of all we have to convert it into improper fractions. So how can we convert? First of all, multiply whole number part with new denominator. So 6 to the 12, and then add the numerator with the product. So 6 to the 12 plus 5 is 17. So 17 upon 6. Second is already, and next is 4 for the 16 plus 1, 17 upon 4, and last one is 10 upon 9. So now these are the fractions that we have to compare. Now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of denominators are 6, 18, 4 and 9. So first of all, as we have even numbers, so we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, and 9 does not comes in the table of 2, so we will write 9 as it is. Next again we have 2, we will take 2, so 3 does not comes in the table of 3, so we will write as it is. Again 9 does not come, so we will write as it is. 2 1s are 2 and 9. Now we will take 3. 3 is a prime number, so we will divide it by 3. और हमें फैक्टर्स भी यहाँ ध्यान रखने कि सारे हमारे फैक्टर्स कैसे होने चाहिए? प्राइम होने चाहिए. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 and 3 3s are 9. Again we have to divide by 3. 3 1 1 1 1. So all the numbers are 1 now. So our LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 is our LCM. Now we have to make these fractions like. So first fraction is 17 upon 6. So 17 upon 6. So 6 के टेबल में 36 कहाँ आता है? Let us see. Because 36 हमारा LCM है, तो हमें डिनोमिनेटर का टेबल LCM तक रिसाइड करना है. So 6 6 are 36. So we will multiply numerator with the same number. So it's 102. 17 6 are 102. Next is your 7 upon 18. So again we have to recite the table of denominator till the LCM. 18 2s are 36. We will multiply 7 by 2 again. So 7 2s are 14. Now next fraction is 17 upon 4. So 17 upon 4. Now we have to multiply recite the table of 4 till LCM. So we know 4 9s are 36. So we have to multiply 17 by 9. So it is 153. And next is your 10 upon 9. So we will multiply 9 by 9 4s are 36. So we will multiply 10 by 4. So 10 4s are 14. Now here all these fractions are again in are like fractions. So we have to compare them by seeing the numerators. So here, which one is the greatest? 102, 14, 153 and 40. So 153 is the greatest one. So we have to write in descending order. So we will write the greatest fraction first. 153 upon 36 is greater than. What is the next one? That is 102. Then 40 and then 14. So we have arranged this fraction in descending order, and now we will write the original fractions. So the 153 by 36 किससे बना था? 17 upon 4 से, and then 102 upon 36 17 upon 6 से, then next is 40 upon 36, that is 10 upon 9, and last one 14 upon 36 by 7 upon 18. और अगर हम मिक्स फॉर्म में इनको देखना चाहें, so 17 upon 4 ही था, no sorry 4 and 1 upon 4 original form इसकी, 4 and 1 upon 4, then next is 17 upon 6, 17 upon 6, 2 and 5 by 6, then 10 upon 9, and then 7 upon 18. So in this way we can arrange these number in descending order. Now in next video we will add and subtract the fractions, unlike fractions. We have already learned in previous class that how to add and subtract the like fractions, but in this class we will learn how to add and subtract unlike fractions. So in next video we will learn that. Thank you.